something that's not new is RFID, radio frequency identification, but it's only now moving from pilot to proven technology. What's taken so long?
Yeah, well, it's a proven technology. Certainly, it's been around since World War II. The great thing is mass adoption is going on. It started in certain verticals such as apparel, retail, but now there's mass adoption going on in healthcare, especially logistics, supply chain, carriers. They're all getting into RFID, and you're getting this mass adoption because it works. It's a proven technology, and it's very effective.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I would say part of that has to deal with the fact that the technology has gotten better itself, right? There was always RFID labels out there, but they weren't as good as they are now, right? The chipsets are getting much better. The antennas are getting much better. The labels themselves and the hardware, they're able to read those, right? It was very challenging beforehand. You had to get very close to the labels. You almost had to have line of sight. And now everything with that hardware and the labels coming together, that kind of conflicts of that is that now you're seeing, great read ranges, 99.9% accuracy. And that has really taken over the market, right? Everyone's like, hey, now we know. We're comfortable with this. We know that it's accurate. We're not guessing that, hey, did I really see all that stuff or did I get all that stuff?
Even as the price is coming down.
Yes, exactly. And that's a key factor, right, that you mentioned right there, is a price factor has now become consumable for manufacturing and across all industries, because it was before, right, whatever that price point was, you were adding it to your market, and then you had to up the price to the consumer, and that just wasn't working for them moving along. And now that price point's come way down where you can start labeling, a pack of gum with an RFID tag.
Sure.